Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You're signing in now to iCloud Mail. Make sure you use the same Apple ID across devices. Once logged in, switch the view to All Mail and sort by size or sender to reveal heavy items fast. You'll check junk and trash visibility next, because messages hide there and still count toward storage. As you work, keep an eye on the storage meter and pause if it's low so you don't accidentally remove something critical. Now focus on filtering and bulk actions. Search with from, has, attachment, and size, 5 MB to isolate candidates. You should preview a few emails to confirm the filter's accuracy. This avoids deleting invoices or important receipts. Once confident, select all and either move items to trash or to an archive folder if you prefer offline backup. Make sure to empty junk and trash afterward so space is reclaimed. If you use the Mail app, synchronize changes to iCloud by forcing a refresh. Finish by emptying trash and junk, then verify iCloud storage reflects the freed space. You'll want to create mail rules and use unsubscribe links now, because automating future sorting prevents repeat clutter. If you regret deleting something, go to Recently Deleted within 30 days to restore items. Act quickly because permanent deletion is automatic after that period. Troubleshooting tip: if deletions don't free space, sign out of iCloud on devices, wait a minute, and sign back in to force a storage sync.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.